Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors: pink color, maroon color, yellow color, dark green color, light green color, red color, brown color, blue color, lavender color, gray color, sky blue color, plum color, rose pink color. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z, AaBbCc, DD, EE, FF, GG, HH, II, JJ, KK, LL, MM, NN, OO, PP, QQ, RR, SS, TT, UU, VV, WW, XX, YY, ZZ. Subscribe.